you went from 2 3Ks to the 1 amp, and you lost about 2 dB without doing any changes.
Yeah.
Wow, man.
Went from the 54 to 52.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
Oscar, got two SoundCube HCX 318s on the new SoundCube 6K.
SoundCube 6K, the half bridge amp. What are you wired to?
Half ohm.
Half ohm, okay. Do you like it so far?
Yeah, lost about 2 dB.
Really? Where'd you go from?
2 some down, 3Ks, strapped at 2 ohms.
So you, okay, got it. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Very nice.
First small that I built.
Okay. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
I'm having issues with this box, unloading issues and all that.
Makes it smell? Oh. Can I see the amp?
Yeah.
Make sure to like everybody and subscribe if you haven't. There you go, your amp's right here. Wow, that's a small 6K amp. Half bridge 6K. The footprint's really small on it, and it's at half ohm. You haven't had any issues?
No.
And you went from 2 3Ks to the 1 amp, and you lost about 2 dB without doing any changes.
Yeah.
Wow, man.
Went from the 54 to 52.
Man. Are you anything back here?
Yeah, I got battery.
Okay. It's on Bass Outlaws. Be sure to subscribe, everyone. Give them a like for the demo. About to see what's in the back. There you go. You got your 3 batteries. The XP 3000s?
XP.
Okay.
I had 6 of them, but it was too much weight for the car. It was sagging.
You had 6, now you have 3. Wow, that was a lot of battery power.
Yeah.
Awesome. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got an Oscar system. He was at the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina. Go ahead and give him a like and comment what you think about his system. Pretty good conversation and discussion I have today in the commentary. So welcome to my channel, JacobViral. I like the way he has his port, and you can tell he actually tried shrinking it a little bit and adding some roundovers for better airflow. And topic today is on the amplifiers. So do you prefer one big amplifier or 2 smaller amplifiers? Comment your thoughts. I could definitely say with experience, 2 smaller amps have usually been more of a better results than a single big amp, and less risk factor. And you always have more options of wiring. Of course, I'm looking forward to y'all's thoughts on that. And running this AGM battery bank in the back. Can't imagine having 6 of these, let alone 3. So AGM or lithium. Most of the day today at cardio shows, for some reason I see more lithium than AGM batteries. That was the specs I found from the SoundCube website. These are 1500 watt RMS rated subwoofers, 6,000 watts total that they're being ran to these 218s in this demo we're getting to right now. So welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button with notification bell on for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy.
Progress.
smell. What was your name, man?
Oscar.
Oscar.
Yeah.
Thanks for the demo, Oscar.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for watching, man.